Hi guys, today I am gonna show you how to make your own WhatsApp sticker by Android or iPhone. First of all, you need to install Personal Sticker Maker by Mega Sticker Maker from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. I show you. I have already installed Personal Sticker Maker app. Now I'm gonna open the app. You can see there are 6 boxes. There are some kind of buttons, not boxes. To make your own sticker, you need to click Personal Sticker box. I'm gonna make a sticker using an image of my gallery. For that, there's a button in the above left corner called Add to Image. I'm gonna click that. I'll show you. You can see after clicking, it opens the gallery. In here, I'm selecting a picture, and after, under the picture, there are tools to crop the picture. I'm clicking BG Remove tool. Here you can erase the unuseful parts of the sticker by dragging the point like this. And also there are some tools called lasso and auto in the bottom. I'll show you how it works. These are all erasing tools, right? Auto tool work like this. And I'm gonna reset the image. Lasso work like this. I think the BG remote tool is better than others. It's easy to work. Then I'm choosing always the BG remote tool. It's easy than others. Okay, we'll see. I'm erasing the unuseful parts. Afterwards, erasing the unuseful parts, you can click the tick button in upper right corner. I'll show you how to click that. Sorry. Okay, and again, no, I'm gonna increase the picture size because small size didn't look better in WhatsApp stickers because it's becoming smaller. Increase your picture as you can to get a better sticker on WhatsApp. And again, you can click Add to WhatsApp button in upper right corner. And you can see a notification that the sticker was successfully added to WhatsApp. I'm going to my WhatsApp account and to my sticker collection. Here you can see a sticker pack with a cross in black background logo. You need to click it like this. And here there's our sticker made a moment ago. Okay then, thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel TAG Production. Stay tuned. We'll meet again soon with an amazing video.